Hi friends, I am Mani. I am the blogger behind GetMoneyRich.com. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic of loan prepayments. To understand that why we need to understand this topic, let me give you a small example. Suppose you have taken a home loan of 30 lakh rupees for a period of say 20 years. So approximately at the present interest rates, you are going to pay an EMI of 25,000 rupees each month for next 20 years for this loan. So 25,000 EMIs for next 20 years. Now let's do a small mathematics. 25,000 rupees paid for next 10 years will be approximately 30 lakh rupees. So what I am trying to say, you have taken a loan of 30 lakh rupees from a bank, and within the first 10 year itself, by paying 25,000 each month, you have paid back 30 lakh rupees to the bank. But your loan doesn't stop there. You have to continue paying the same EMI for next 10 more years. So this is the problem of taking a loan. You take a loan of 30 lakhs, but you actually pay much more. How much more? A loan of 30 lakh rupees, a home loan of 30 lakh rupees for a 20-year tenure will ask you for a total payment of 62 lakh rupees. So it is our responsibility, our means the borrower's responsibility, to understand the impact of loan on our personal finance, and we should also find a way to get out of this loan trap. Why? Because it is draining most of our savings. Okay, let me make a statement. Loan is bad, but prepayments are good. What does it mean? Let me not confuse you. Loan is bad for everybody. As far as possible, we should try to stay away from loans. But often it is not possible, especially for big purchases like homes, where a large capital is involved. In that case, everyone may not have that amount of savings to buy a house. So in that case, we use our savings, and we also use the financing from the bank to buy a house. So sometimes loan becomes unavoidable. We may not like it, but sometimes they are unavoidable. So once we take the loan, the next step is we should try to prepay the loans and make it zero as fast as possible. This is why I say loan is bad, but prepayment is good. If we have taken the loan, let's prepay it to make it good. Prepayment is our way of making a loan good for us. Let's understand again the utility of prepayment. I have already given you this example. A home loan of 30 lakh rupees taken for a period of next 20 years will ask you for a total payment of 62 lakh rupees. You take a loan of 30 lakhs, but you are actually paying 60 lakh rupees. So 30 lakh is the principal that you have taken, and the balance 32 lakh is the interest. So here you can see the interest burden is more than the loan that you have taken. And this makes it so important for a common man to understand the implication of taking a long tenure loan like a home loan. What is the implication? It is eating our maximum savings. And the way to get out of this debt trap is by means of loan prepayment. Loan prepayment is our way of becoming financially independent. But there is a very interesting thing about loan prepayment. Why everybody does not utilize this benefit of loan prepayment? There is a very practical reason behind it. Suppose you have taken a 30 lakh loan and you are paying a 25,000 EMI on this loan. For a common man, paying EMI, especially home loan EMIs which are of bigger values, paying EMIs anyway is not an easy thing. For an average person, the major chunk of one's income goes in paying the EMIs. Balance, what is left, is used to manage other household expenses. So after paying the EMI, there is hardly any money left as savings. So from where we will make the loan prepayments? This is the problem. We earn some income, we pay the EMI, the balance money all is getting utilized to manage household expenses. There are no savings. And even if we are saving something, we do not want to use it for making loan prepayment. We have bigger priorities, better priorities. Why we should use the money for loan prepayment? I agree. This is a problem, and this is what holds us from utilizing the benefit of loan prepayment. So how to get out of this mental hold? There are two ways. First is, before you start the process of loan prepayment, it is essential to understand the benefits of becoming debt free. I have left a link of one of my articles on becoming debt free. I strongly recommend you to read that article. That article will give you food for thought that why you should try to become debt free. What is the life of a debt free person? It will help you understand that. And the only way to become debt free is loan prepayments. The second thing that you must do before you actually start making loan prepayments is to start using a loan prepayment calculator. In my blog as well, there is a loan prepayment calculator. It is a very simple calculator. You can use that calculator to visualize how much saving you are going to make by making prepayments. Suppose you are making a prepayment of 10,000 rupees. How much saving it will make for you in long term? This is the answer that this loan prepayment calculator will give you. The saving is huge. If you are making a loan prepayment in the initial months of your loan tenure, the saving is huge. Few thousand rupees in the initial months can save you lakhs of rupees in times to come. So, these two steps are very important for a person to understand the benefit of loan prepayment. Read more about becoming debt free and also use a loan prepayment calculator to visualize how much amount of savings prepayments are going to make for you in long term. These two are a big motivators for a person who wants to prepay the loan but is not able to convince oneself fully that how to start. There is another factor which actually holds us from making loan prepayments. It is our banks. Out of all the type of loans that we have in the market, except for home loan, for all other loans, prepayment has a penalty. If you want to make a prepayment, banks will penalize you. They do not want you to prepay your loans. Why? Because for the banks, interest is their income. If we prepay our loans, we pay less interest, and when we are paying less interest, it is less income for the bank. So, when a bank official tells you, do not pay your loan because you will not save tax, do not pay your loan because anyway a major amount of interest has already been deducted, don't believe these words. Focus on only one thing, that you want to become debt free. You want to live a debt free life, and that's why you are making loan prepayments. You are not making loan prepayment just to save a few interest, or you want to close your loan early. No, these are the benefits, but the main benefit is it will make you debt free. There will be no liabilities. Whatever money you are earning, you can use it for yourself. At present, what is happening? You are earning some income, and majority portion of that income is going to pay the EMIs. And in turn, these EMIs also save you some tax. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have a loan of 30 lakh rupees, and on that you are paying around 25,000 as EMI. So on one hand you are paying a EMI of 25,000 rupees, and on other hand, under section 24, this same EMI can save you around 2,000 rupees per month in income tax. So understand the cash flow. You are paying 25,000 and saving 2,000. So net cash that is out of your pocket is still 23,000 rupees. You are paying 23,000 rupees more from your pocket. What happens when you become debt free? When you become debt free, there will be no 25,000 cash out in the form of EMI. But on the other hand, you will also not save 2,000 rupees. But still, you are not paying the EMI. The net cash in your pocket, your savings is 23,000 rupees. So which is better? A loan-free, a debt-free life is always better in terms of savings, and it has a much bigger benefits than just in the monetary form. You ask a financially independent person, you ask a person who is debt free, and he can vouch for his life that a life where there is no debt is better than ever before. So, till now we have understood that loan prepayment is a common man's way of attaining financial independence. Becoming debt free should be the prime objective of the person. So how to plan the loan prepayment? Suppose we are not saving a lot from our income. Let's say out of our income, our monthly saving is only 1000 rupees. How we can use these 1000 rupees to plan to make our prepayments? When the savings is small, prepayment planning becomes a little bit difficult. A lump sum prepayment is a far easier prospect than planning for prepayment from small amounts. So how we can do it? Let's take this example. Suppose your saving is 1000 rupees only in a month. How you should prepay? Divide these 1000 rupees into two parts. The first 500 and the second 500. This first 500 should be used to increase your EMI. What you should do? Go to your bank and tell your bank that you want to increase your EMI. Suppose your present EMI is 25,000 per month. Tell your bank that you want to increase this EMI from 25,000 to 25,500. This additional 500 rupees that you are paying in the form of increased EMI will be considered as a prepayment. Every month when you pay 25,500 rupees, these 500 will go as a prepayment. And take my words for it that this kind of prepayment where you are making maybe a small amount but you are paying it every month can give you tremendous advantages in long term. So this is the first part of your savings. The second part of your saving, the next 500, how you should use it? Open a recurring deposit in your bank and start depositing these 500 rupees each month in your bank account. Let this recurring deposit develop over a period of time. And when a substantial amount gets saved, and by means of substantial amount, I'm saying maybe 10,000, 20,000 rupees, break your recurring deposit and use these savings to make the prepayment. Go to your bank, tell your bank that you want to make a prepayment of 25,000 rupees and make the prepayment. So you can see, just by saving 1000 rupees in a month, you are able to make contributions to your loan prepayment. Maybe the value is small, but over a period of time, these small prepayments can drastically reduce your interest burden, and it will also close your loan in a very quick time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will get a notification and you will not miss it. See you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye.